Hi guys, I'm Yuki, Japanese hairdresser. How's it going? I know it's sudden, but do you like K-pop? As for me, I'm getting into K-pop, especially Stray Kids. They are so cool and cute, right? Did you realize? Yes, today I'm gonna make Hyunjin hair. Every day I got a lot of comment and requests. Among them, Korean hairstyles are most popular of those. In my channel, I made many Korean hairstyles. For example, Sebyoku hair, Bomugyu hair, and this time, I'm gonna make a Hyunjin hair. My YouTube would become a channel for specifically Korean hairstyles. Next video, I'm thinking of making a PS5 hairstyle. Anyway, I'm feeling really hyped about making Hyunjin hair. Let's get started. First of all, I will explain his hair. It has several characteristics. In my opinion, important things are weight point, trim, bangs length. Today, I will use special item. It is laser. If you have no lasers, it's okay using normal regular scissors. But I guess using lasers to these hairstyles is more suitable than using scissors. Okay, first let's do sectioning hair. Next, we're gonna draw a line to ears area from points, which are 4 cm from hairline. And then we're gonna draw a line to occipital bone from points, which are 2 cm from above ears. Okay, I'm ready. Let's make it. You have to decide hair length. I wonder if the length is shoulder line. Don't cut the hair all at once. We're gonna make a side section when we finished making back sections. Making side section is extension from back line. It's better to cut the branches to jaw point. Next step, we have to connect them to side points. You're cutting hair while you are combing forward. Okay, you great work. Next step, we're gonna make a middle area. We have to be careful when we cut the middle area. It's outlined by hair bottom. If you cut the outline incorrectly, hairstyle would break, I guess. Don't pull the hair forward. I'm gonna pull it side. We're gonna cut the top section seeing that guide point, which you made the shortest in middle area. Thank you for watching my videos today. How was it? Have a try. See you next time. Bye.